Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of logging into Empower Retirement with ease. Follow these simple step-by-step instructions to access your retirement account effortlessly. Step 1. Open your web browser. Begin by launching your preferred web browser on your device. This can be Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you typically use. Step 2. Visit the Empower Retirement website. In the address bar, type in the URL for Empower Retirement, www.empowerretirement.com. Press Enter to navigate to the website. Step 3. Locate the Login section. Once the Empower Retirement homepage loads, look for the Login button, typically found in the upper right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Choose your login type. You will be presented with different login options. If you have a personal account, select Participant Login. If you are an employer or financial advisor, choose the appropriate option that suits your needs. Step 5. Enter your credentials. Now you will need to enter your login credentials. Input your username and password in the designated fields. Ensure that you double-check for any typos to avoid errors. Step 6. Secure your account. If you are using a personal device, you may see an option to remember your username for future logins. Select this option if you prefer quicker access next time. However, do not choose this option on public or shared devices for security reasons. Step 7. Click the Login button. After entering your details and ensuring they are correct, click on the Login button. Wait a moment as the system processes your request. Step 8. Access your account. Once logged in successfully, you will be directed to your Empower Retirement dashboard. Here you can review your account details, manage your investments, and access various retirement planning tools. Step 9. Log out securely. When you are finished accessing your account, don't forget to log out, especially if you are using a shared computer. You can find the log out option in the same menu where you logged in. Thank you for following our guide on how to log in to Empower Retirement easily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up.